Hi everyone, today I'm going to solving the single number problem from this lead code. The problem number is 136 and comes under the easy category. So let's start with the problem. There is a problem is given like given a non-empty array of the integer nums. Every element appear twice except for the one. Find that single ones. So you must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only one constant extra space. Okay, and the input is given 2 to 1, output is 1. You can see the problem is we have in the input array we have a nums of we have a input, and over there we can see we have a multiple duplicate value, only one single value is there, so we have to be return that single number, not duplicate. And it is always in the input array you can see we are getting a duplicacy over there, because in the question is also mentioning like every element appeared twice except for one. So it is like every time every input array having only one single value, and apart from that single value we have a every element 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 like that. In the in the number example 2 you can see we have a 4 1 2 1 2, like you can see 1 we also have a 2 count, second number also we have a 2 count, only 4 we have only 1 count, so that's why we have to return the 4. So this is already given in the condition. Coming to the constraint, this length lie from this 1 to 3, and this nums of I lie from -3 to +3. And this condition is again mentioning each element in the array appear twice except for the one element which appears only once. So this condition which we have to be keep maintaining every time for returning the value. So in the C sharp we have a list type of feature which we can use here, storing the value. Okay, so I am just starting coding from this list. Okay, so what I can say from the list is storing similar type of value which we are using in the C sharp. So what I does like storing the integer value, so that's why I define the data type integer, and how many times we have to be iterate. So for that we have to take the count. So I have to be apply the count for that input array. Okay, so let's start with that. Equal to 0 I less than. Okay, so this is the count which we are maintaining, which we have to be iterating over there. Okay, so in the list we have to be check if that number is containing or not. If our list is containing that nulls or not. If that is containing, what we have to do? We have to be returning the unique value. If that is containing, then we have to be removed. We have to be only retain the unique value. That's why I have to be removed. Let's not remove. Okay. So this is the condition which we have to be apply. I am removing because we don't have to be keep the duplicacy value over there. That's why. Okay. If it is not containing, then what we can do? We can add. If it is not containing, then we can add nums of I. Okay. Then after that we have to return the what we have to return. We have to return that list. Let's see it is working or not. Oh, it is. Oh, there's a count is method. Sorry. Mm. Mm-hmm. Silly mistake. We are checking this nums of I, then not applying the index value. Okay. So you can see our test case is passed. Just submit this. So it is also accepted. So coming to the time and space complexity, you can see we are using the first we have to check the time complexity. The time complexity should be the big O of n because we are iterating over the count. Coming to the space complexity, it should be big O of n because we are using the list. Hope you got this idea about this problem. Thank you. Meet in the next video.